Have you ever considered that your bird's cage is more than just a cage? It's a sanctuary, a sacred space holding trust, joy, and the beautiful life you've been entrusted with. As their steward, your care can create a true home. First, let's talk location. Find a quiet, sunlit corner, away from drafts and loud noises. A place where they can feel safe and part of the family, but still have their own retreat. Next, cleanliness is compassion. Fresh food and water daily are a must. A weekly wipe down of perches and toys keeps their space healthy and honors their dignity. And don't forget joy. Rotate their toys to keep them curious. Play soft music and speak to them gently. Your voice is a core part of their sanctuary. By honoring their needs, you're not just keeping a pet, you're cultivating a life. You're building a sanctuary, reflecting your love and care. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thoughtful pet care tips.